How to create ringtones using AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Navigate to the Audio Editing Tools section and select the Simple Trim tool. Import the audio file that you want to use as your ringtone. Once the audio loads, use the trimming controls to select the exact portion of the track you want as your ringtone. You can also apply fade-in or fade-out effects, adjust volume, and even add audio effects like echo or reverb to make your ringtone stand out. After finalizing your edits, preview the ringtone to ensure it sounds perfect. Then tap the Save button and set the audio as your ringtone. By mastering the process of creating ringtones in AudioLab using the Simple Trim tool, you can turn your favorite songs, voice recordings, or sound effects into personalized ringtones that reflect your style. Now you know how to create ringtones using AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.